Do you feel nervous when you enter a restaurant? Do you worry about saying the wrong thing? Don't worry. Today we will learn 50 simple, natural phrases to help you order with confidence. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel for more calm and easy English lessons. Now take a deep breath. Let's begin. A table for two, please. A table for two, please. Do you have a reservation? Do you have a reservation? I have a booking under Sarah. I have a booking under Sarah. Can we sit by the window? Can we sit by the window? Is this table free? Is this table free? Just for one, please. Just for one, please. Can we see the menu, please? Can we see the menu, please? Is there a wait? Is there a wait? How long is the wait? How long is the wait? We are ready to sit down. We are ready to sit down. Can I start with a water? Can I start with a water? Still or sparkling? Still or sparkling? No ice, please. No ice, please. I'll have an orange juice. I'll have an orange juice. What sodas do you have? What sodas do you have? We're not ready to order yet. We're not ready to order yet. Give us a few more minutes, please. Give us a few more minutes, please. Can we share the calamari? Can we share the calamari? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? I'll start with the soup. I'll start with the soup. I would like the steak. I would like the steak. I'll have the burger. I'll have the burger. Can I get this without onions? Can I get this without onions? Is this spicy? Is this spicy? What comes on the side? What comes on the side? Can I swap the fries for a salad? Can I swap the fries for a salad? How is the chicken cooked? How is the chicken cooked? I am allergic to nuts. I am allergic to nuts. Is there meat in this? Is there meat in this? That's all for now. That's all for now. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. Everything tastes great. Everything tastes great. Can I have another napkin? Can I have another napkin? Excuse me, I'm missing a fork. Excuse me, I'm missing a fork. Could I have more water? Could I have more water? This is cold. This is cold. I didn't order this. I didn't order this. Can I have some ketchup? Can I have some ketchup? Is the bathroom this way? Is the bathroom this way? We are finished, thank you. We are finished, thank you. Do you have a dessert menu? Do you have a dessert menu? Just the check, please. Just the check, please. Can we split the bill? Can we split the bill? I'll pay by card. I'll pay by card. Do you take cash? Do you take cash? Keep the change. Keep the change. Can I have a box for this? Can I have a box for this? To go, please. To go, please. Was service included? Was service included? It was delicious, thank you. It was delicious, thank you. You did a great job today. Remember, speaking a new language takes time. Be patient with yourself. Which of these phrases was the most useful for you? Tell me in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with a friend who is learning English. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next lesson.